children, we have started exercise 2.2. Let's continue the same concept. Exercise 2.2, 11th question. The question is, Boy Chung's father is 26 years younger than Boy Chung's grandfather and 29 years older than Boy Chung. The sum of the ages of all the three is 135 years. What is the age of each one of them? Okay, let's once again. Boy Chung's father is, here we can observe three persons, Boy Chung's father and Boy Chung's grandfather. Okay, so Boy Chung's father is 26 years younger than Boy Chung's grandfather. Boy Chung's father is 26 years younger than Boy Chung's grandfather. Okay, and 29 years older than Boy Chung. 29 years older than. If we compare Boy Chung's father is, here we are comparing Boy Chung's father is with Boy Chung's grandfather and Boy Chung. Boy Chung's father is 26 years younger than Boy Chung's grandfather and 29 years older than Boy Chung. Okay, let's assume here age of Boy Chung's father age is X. Boy Chung's father age is X. He is 26 years younger than Boy Chung's grandfather. That means Boy Chung's grandfather age is X plus 26 years. X plus 26. He is younger than Boy Chung's grandfather. So, Boy Chung's grandfather's age is X plus 26 and Boy Chung's father is 29 years older than Boy Chung. So, X minus 29. Boy Chung's age is X minus 29. Boy Chung's father's age X and Boy Chung's grandfather's age is X plus 26. Okay, here we are assuming their ages relate. Boy Chung's father age. Father age is equal to X. Boy Chung's grandfather age X plus 26. Boy Chung's age is equal to X minus 29 years. Boy Chung's father, Boy Chung's grandfather. Boy Chung's father is 26 years younger than Boy Chung's grandfather. That means he is older. X plus 26 and 29 years older. He is older. That means Boy Chung's age is X minus 29. Okay. The sum of the ages of all the three is 135 years. This is the given clue to solve the problem. The clue is the sum of the ages of all the three is 135 years. Okay, let us add the three ages. Boy Chung's age X minus 29. Boy Chung's father age is X. And Boy Chung's grandfather age is X plus 26. Sum of these three ages, that is equal to 135 years. The sum of the ages of all the three. Boy Chung's father, Boy Chung's grandfather. Boy Chung's age, Boy Chung's father age, Boy Chung's grandfather age. Sum of their ages is equal to 135 years. 135 years. Let's simplify the equation. X plus X, that is equal to 3x. Very good. X plus X is equal to 3x minus 29 plus 26. The result is minus 3. If we add minus 29 and plus 26, the result is minus 3. That is equal to 135. Now we will transpose minus 3 to right hand side. Minus 3 becomes plus 3. 135 plus 3. The value is equal to 138. If we add 135 and 3, the result is equal to 138. Now 3x is equal to 138. Now transpose 3. The coefficient of x 3 to right hand side. The value x is equal to 138 by 3. If we divide these two numbers, these two are cancelled by 3 table. 3 4s are 12, 28. Let's simplify. 3 4s are 12, 1 8, 3 6 are 18. The result is equal to 46. The value of x is equal to 46. So what x represents here, children? Boychung's father is. Here x value is equal to 46. Here x represents Boychung's father is. In the question they are asking, what is the age of each one of them? They are asking 3 members, Boychung's age, Boychung's father age and Boychung's grandfather's age. Okay, now Boychung's father, that is, we assume the value is equal to x. Now we know the value of x, that is equal to 46. So the age of Boychung's father's age is equal to 46 years. Boychung's father age is equal to 46 years. Boychung's grandfather age is equal to 46 plus 26, that is equal to 72 years. If we add 46 and 26, the value is equal to 72 years. And x minus 29, 46 minus 29, that is equal to 17. So Boychung's age is equal to 70 years. The question they are asking, what is the age of each one of them? Boychung's father is 46 years. We assume his value, age of Boychung's father is equal to x. Now the value of x is equal to 46. So Boychung's father age is equal to 46 years. Boychung's grandfather age 46 plus 26, that is equal to 72 years. And Boychung age is equal to 46 minus 29. He is 17 years old. Then the next question is that this is 14th question in exercise 2.2. The question is, Lakshmi is a cashier in a bank. She has currency notes of denominations 100 rupees, 50 rupees and 10 rupees respectively. The ratio of the number of these notes 2:3:5. The total cash with Lakshmi is 4 lakhs rupees. 4 lakhs. How many notes of each denomination does she have? See children, Lakshmi is a cashier in a bank. Okay. She has currency notes of denominations 100 rupees, 50 rupees and 10 rupees. She has 100 rupees notes, 50 rupees notes and 10 rupee notes. 100 rupee notes, 50 rupee notes and 10 rupees notes. Okay. The ratio of the number of these notes, ratio of number of how many, that is equal, the ratio is given, that is equal to 2:3:5. 2:3:5. Now write the next step. Number of 100 rupee notes 2x. Number of 50 rupee notes 3x. Number of 10 rupee notes 5x. We are assuming, we don't know the number of 100 rupees notes. That only we have to find how many notes of each denominations. So to find that, we assume number of 100 rupee notes. How many children? 2x. The number of 50 rupee notes is equal to, good, that is equal to 3x. And number of 10 rupee notes, that is equal to 5x. Okay. Suppose children, if I have 100 rupee note, the value is equal to 100 rupees. Good. If I have 200 rupees notes, if I have two notes, each is equal to 100 rupees. What is the value? 200 rupees. If I have 3 notes, the value is equal to 300. If I have 5 notes, the value is equal to 500. If I have 6 notes, 100 rupees notes, the value is equal to 600. If I have 10 notes, the value is equal to 10 into 10, that is 1000 rupees. Okay. In the same way here, every time cost of each note, that value is equal to 100 rupee. Okay. How many 100 rupees notes does Lakshmi have now? 2x value. 2x into 100. See children, if I have 100 rupee note, 1 into 100. If I have 2 notes, 2 into 100, 200. 3 into 100, 300. 4 into 100, 400. In the same way, to get the value of these notes, okay, so 100 rupees notes, how many are there here with Lakshmi? 2x. The value is equal to 2x into 100, 200x. 2x into 100, 200x. Okay. Here, number of 50 rupees notes is equal to 3x. Value is equal to 3x into 50, that is 150x. 3 5s are 15, 150x. Okay, 150x. Number of 10 rupees notes are 5x. The value is equal to 5 into 10, 50x. So, this represents total value to 0, 5 plus 5, 10, 400x. Total the value is equal to 400x. Number of 100 rupees notes are 2x. That value is equal to 200x. Number of 50 rupee notes are 3x. The value is equal to 150x. 3x into 50, 150x. The value of 10 rupees, number of 10 rupees notes is equal to 5x. The value is equal to 5 into 10, 50x. Total the value is equal to 400x. But according to the problem, the value, the total cash with Lakshmi is 4 lakhs rupees. 4 lakhs. So, the value 400x is equal to 4 lakhs. Do you understand children this problem? 400x is equal to 4 lakhs. Let's simplify this equation. X is equal to 4 lakhs divided with 400. 400 ones, 400 thousands. So, the value of x is equal to 1000. The value of x is equal to 1000. Now, we know the value of x. Now, we can get the number of notes. To get number of 100 rupee notes, that is equal to 2 into x, 2 into 1000, that is equal to 2000. 100 rupees notes. How many? Number of 50 rupee notes is equal to 3x, 3 into 1000, that is equal to 3000. Number of 50 rupee notes is equal to 3 into 1000, 3000. And the number of 10 rupee notes is equal to 5x, 5 into 1000, 5000. So, number of 10 rupees notes is equal to 5000. Let's check children. 2000 notes are there. So, 2000 into 100. 2000 into 100 is equal to 2 lakhs. If you check the value, number of 100 rupees notes are 2000. If you check that value, that is equal to 2 lakhs. Number of 50 rupee notes are 3000. That value is equal to 3 into 5, 15. 3 into 5, 15. After 4 zeros, 1,50,000. And 5,000 into 10, 50,000. The value is equal to 5,000. If we add this all the values, we get 4 lakhs. Now, what is the answer? How many notes of each denominations? Number of 100 rupees notes is equal to 2000. number of 50 rupees notes is equal to 3000. Number of 10 rupee notes is equal to 5000. Do you understand, children, this problem? Thank you.